Let's see. Next caller doesn't tell me who's on here. Hello, who's this?
This is Tony from Los Angeles.
Hey, Tony. This is Johnny and Jason. But before you tell us your success story of Teach Me Home Loans, tell us about the last loan you did before Teach Me Home Loans.
We did a refinance, and the person I talked to kept trying to sell me things. Like, he kept trying to steer me into loans I didn't want. When I was pretty clear, I mean, I'm a pretty conservative, and I think I was trying to make it really clear, I don't want a 7-year adjustable, none of this stuff, and it was obvious that he was supposed to sell me that loan, so he kept telling me I was making a mistake, and what I should have done, I think what I should have done was just found someone else, but I was kind of feeling like, well, I'm, here, and as long as I finally get my message through. But I had to fight with him, basically. Not fight, but I had to be really, listen, please stop trying to tell me to do this because I don't want it. So that was bad.
Wow. Now, how did that make you feel?
Well, it made me feel stupid because it made me, question, well, maybe I'm doing the wrong thing, because he seemed like a pretty nice guy. So I was thinking, well, maybe he's a nice guy and he's really trying to help me out. Maybe I don't know enough. Maybe I should listen to him. And, it made me second guess myself. So that made me feel stupid.
Yeah, I don't blame you. I don't blame you one bit.
Because they're just going to tell you what they need to tell you to get you to do it. Right.
So you now you go out, you get the Teach Me Home Loan system, and did you have a better experience this time in communicating with your broker?
We did.
Well, how so? What changed exactly?
I think he was listening to me. That was what I felt. A lot of times people don't listen.
Yeah.
And I think he presented a few different kinds of loans, and then he got the message really quick. Oh, I see you're a conservative borrower. You don't want to, take a chance. So, you know what I mean? I said, I want a 30-year fixed, and he's like, okay.
And he got you a 30-year fix. What's wrong with that,
right?
Yeah,
a 30-year fixed at 6%.
It shouldn't be that hard.
No.
And that is a great rate, absolutely.
Yeah, and I remember him saying to me, you're killing me here. And I said, well, sorry.
Oh, that's funny. Well, it sounds like you got the upper hand on this loan. How'd you save money on it exactly?
We got a really good rate.
Excellent. Do you think that the software tools that we had in there that allowed you to compare good faith estimates and probably more to the point, the shopping strategies that are in this system facilitated that good rate, and also you knowing for sure in your head that you got the best rate?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I found...
Hello, Tony? I think we just lost her. Tony? Well, let's try to quantify that. What does a good rate mean? I mean, obviously everybody knows they should get the best rate, but what does that mean in dollars and cents? How much can you save? I think that if you would take the average loan amount in Southern California being about $350,000, and we take, even if 0.25%, let's say Tony shopped really great and she got 0.25% better. Let's say she got that 6%, but everybody was trying to pitch her like on a 6.25. Well, on a $350,000 loan amount, if that's the average in Southern California, that's saving her $72 a month, which means she paid for the Teach Me Home Loan system in 1 month, and she saves $875 a year in extra interest, and over $1,750 or over $4,375 in just 5 years' time. Now, maybe she cut out. We didn't get a chance to ask her, but if they were trying to get her a 0.5 point higher than the par rate, meaning that they were pitching her 6.5%, but because of the way she came across and her savviness, she was able to without really negotiating, but just get them working for her to get a 6%. That saves her like $1,750 a year. That's over $145 a month. That goes back in her pocket that she doesn't have to pay because just by using the Teach Me Home Loan system.